Hello, and welcome to SkillCareer. You're about to begin an exciting journey into the world of APIs, where apps talk to each other, data flows between platforms, and the magic of the internet comes alive. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to improve, this course will give you the solid foundation you need. So, let's get started. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is a bridge that allows two software systems to communicate. Imagine ordering food at a restaurant. You don't go into the kitchen, you place your order through a waiter. In the world of software, APIs are that waiter, taking requests, delivering responses. APIs are everywhere. They power your weather app, your UPI payments, and even your favorite social media platforms. They help developers save time and bring powerful features into apps without building everything from scratch. APIs come in different types. REST APIs are the most common. They use simple HTTP methods. SOAP is more traditional and uses XML. GraphQL is great for flexible data queries. And WebSockets let you build real-time apps like chats or games. Each has its own strengths. Let's explore REST APIs in detail. REST uses HTTP methods like GET to fetch data, POST to send data, PUT to update, and DELETE to remove. It's stateless, meaning every request contains all the information needed. REST is clean, simple, and widely supported. APIs usually send and receive data in JSON or XML. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation and is lightweight and easy to read. XML is more structured and verbose. These formats help machines understand and exchange data. Good APIs come with great documentation. It tells you what endpoints are available, what data is needed, and what responses to expect. Tools like Postman and Swagger let you test APIs without writing any code. Just click, send, and see the response. Most APIs aren't open to everyone. They require authentication. Common methods include API keys, OAuth tokens, and JWT, JSON Web Tokens. These ensure only verified users can access or modify the data. Let's make our first API call. Using JavaScript's fetch function or a tool like Axios, we'll send a GET request to a public API. You'll see how easy it is to pull real-time data into your app in just a few lines of code. Once we get a response, we need to handle it properly. Success responses might show data, while errors need to be caught using try-catch blocks. Always validate the response and show user-friendly messages in your UI. Now let's build a mini project. For example, a weather app. We'll fetch data from a weather API and display it dynamically. This is where the real fun begins, using APIs to make your projects smarter and more useful. Want to go back-end? Let's use Node.js with Express to create a server that calls APIs and returns processed data to the front end. This is powerful for creating your own API layer or building secure systems. APIs don't always respond the way we expect. You might hit rate limits or get errors like 404 or 500. Learn how to retry requests, log issues, and create fallback mechanisms so your app stays reliable. APIs bring apps to life. Use Razorpay or Paytm for payments, Twilio for sending SMS, Firebase for login, or Google Maps for location services. These tools open the door to professional-level app development. Congratulations! You now understand what APIs are, how they work, and how to use them in your projects. Ready to level up? Head to skillcareer.in and enroll in our advanced API modules. Keep building, keep learning, and stay ahead with SkillCareer. Neat. Security is crucial when working with APIs. Always use HTTPS to encrypt your data. Validate all incoming requests and use tokens or API keys to ensure only authorized users can access sensitive endpoints. Never expose secrets in your front-end code. APIs change over time. That's why versioning is important. You might see something like API v1 or v2 in URLs. This lets you update your API without breaking older apps that rely on the earlier versions. Large datasets can overwhelm your app. That's why most APIs use pagination, sending data in chunks. You can also filter and sort results to show only what's needed. For example, page O2 in limit size 10 or os books ICE gain sort costs price o ask. Now that you've used APIs, let's build one. With tools like Node.js, Django, or Flask, you can create your own API, define endpoints, connect it to a database, and share it with others. This is how modern web services are born. Once your API is live, you need to monitor its health and speed. Use tools like Postman monitors, New Relic, or Google Cloud Monitoring to track uptime, errors, and performance. A slow or broken API hurts user experience. API skills are in high demand. From back-end development to cloud architecture and mobile apps, APIs are everywhere. Mastering APIs opens doors to roles like full-stack developer, DevOps engineer, and API product manager. It's time to apply what you've learned. Build a real-world project, like a flight booking app, a food delivery backend, or a portfolio with live API data. Once complete, earn your SkillCareer certification and show it off to future employers or clients.